Imagine spotting a production problem the moment it happens, before it turns into delays or defects.
Without real-time monitoring, inefficiencies go unnoticed, quality slips, and costs rise as issues pile up.
But with live tracking of processes, companies boost efficiency, maintain quality, and respond instantly to disruptions.
Techniques include IoT sensors to track machine performance, dashboards for real-time production data, and automated alerts for deviations. For example, if a sensor detects a temperature spike in a food plant, staff can act immediately to prevent spoilage. These tools turn monitoring into proactive control.
Real-time production monitoring isn't just oversight. It's the key to efficiency, quality, and competitive advantage.